Welcome to another fantastic review brought to you by Purchpad. Today, we're diving into the world of Rachael Ray Oil and Vinegar Dispensing Bottle. When it comes to upgrading your kitchen accessories, the Rachael Ray Oil and Vinegar Dispensing Bottle, also known as the EVOO Bottle, is a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. This 24-ounce ceramic dispenser in the stunning Agave Blue color is not only a functional tool, but also a stylish addition to your kitchen decor. One of the standout features of the Rachael Ray Oil and Vinegar Dispensing Bottle is its practical design. The bottle is crafted to easily dispense the perfect amount of oil or vinegar without any mess or drips, making it ideal for dressings, marinades, and cooking. Its ceramic construction not only ensures durability, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen countertop. The versatility of this oil and vinegar dispenser is another key selling point. Whether you are drizzling olive oil over a salad or adding a splash of vinegar to your favorite dish, this bottle streamlines the process and adds a touch of gourmet flair to your culinary creations. It's a convenient and stylish way to elevate your cooking experience. Apart from its functionality, the Rachael Ray Oil and Vinegar Dispensing Bottle is easy to clean and maintain, perfect for busy home cooks. Its sleek design and vibrant color make it a standout piece among your kitchenware collection. Plus, being a Rachael Ray product, you can trust in the quality and innovation that this renowned brand brings to the table. In conclusion, the Rachael Ray Oil and Vinegar Dispensing Bottle is a game changer for anyone looking to add a touch of sophistication and practicality to their kitchen. Whether you are a seasoned home chef or just starting your culinary journey, this ceramic dispensing bottle is a versatile and stylish addition to your Rachael Ray kitchen. Say goodbye to messy oil and vinegar bottles and hello to a more elegant and efficient way of cooking with this must-have cooking oil dispenser. Upgrade your kitchenware with the Rachael Ray Oil and Vinegar Dispensing Bottle and experience the difference for yourself. And that wraps up our review. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome content. Your support means the world to us. For more information, check the link in the description.